Hey Gunpowder Crew, welcome to the channel and welcome to Jeeps of the Valley. Enjoy.
One's not happy.
That one's not happy?
No, it's not happy. But it made it.
That's good. That's all that matters.
That's going to be about as far as we go. Keep going. Come on. Driver, just a little. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Right about there.
Woohoo!
That always freaks me out. That don't look safe.
What?
I'm a hot rodder. Everything we do is on the ground.
I want to play. Or duck rolling. All I see is a...
Somebody wants an extreme duck on their Jeep? Let me know.
Sweet.
You got a seat. Yeah, I was going to say, you got a seat.
That's awesome.
Try and make that not to like scratch it up on the gravel too much, so I don't want to pop it. I know, I just don't want to scrape it on the ground too much.
Oh no! Yeah. Hey Gunpowder Crew, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Jeeps of the Valley, vendoring at this awesome event put on by Jeep Works and NRV Jeep Club. First off, I'm going to go over and check out the awards and see what all they're offering. Looks like several classes this year. Let's go check it out. Jeepworks had a company called Risen Aerial to do some drone footage of the entire show, which was some epic footage. So we're going to show you some of that now. Enjoy. entertainment right here. I didn't know he was going to get on the hood.
That's the only way to get it.
That's the only way he can get to it, yeah. I mean,
Yeah, I was up front and she was like, "There's somebody on your hood?" I said, "I would hope we would miss that." So pretty. Oh goodness. That's cool. Oh,
An extra.
sweet. Thank you.
Now here comes the fun part, getting down.
Oh, gravity.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't film everything, right? Whee! It's a giant slide.
it's a big step.
Oh, nice.
Well, it didn't take him no time.
No. So that's a thank you to Signarama for finishing the doing the
windshield
finishing
banner.
touch. Yeah. Got the windshield banner and they did the
Customer
whole
service.
wrap. Yes.
And they come out and have to climb up over the.
That's right. Thanks for doing that.
You're very welcome.
I feel like she's back now.
She has been missing for a little while.
That has been missing. We would like to give a big shout out to Signarama for the epic wrap and for putting a banner on the day of the show. Y'all are awesome. We highly recommend Signarama for all your wraps, banners, signs, stickers. They do it all. Just look them up in Christiansburg. Now as we reach the end of the show, we're going to have the award ceremony for all the winners of the Show and Shine. Congratulations to all of these awesome winners, and thanks to everyone for bringing out all of your Jeeps, and the Jeepers and the Jeep community was just amazing on this gorgeous day.
Don't know what Cancer Kids at Christmas does. We're an organization that actually helps families have a Christmas that's fighting cancer. I myself am a cancer survivor, colon cancer, as you can tell. So I started this program in 2012, the same year I had cancer. We actually helped the family in Floyd, raised $750 for that family that year, and we have grown ever since. But the only way we have grown is the support of the community, and just like NRVG Club. They are great sponsors of ours. We appreciate everything they do, everything you guys do. And when Jason called me, asked me if I would come over and do a raffle, me and my son was coming over, I asked them what would be good to go, what everybody would like. I wasn't worried about making profit. The main thing is supporting somebody that supports us. We did wind up making about $400.
Yay! Woo.
So we appreciate you guys and everything you do to help us. And hopefully in the future we'll continue the partnership and continue growing.
Before we get on this, October 18th, we have a poker run that benefits this same thing. Cancer Kids and Christmas. If you could, come out and support it. Is it pavement?
It,
Nice try.
Oh.
Half. You will see a little dirt here.
All right, okay. All right. The number is 74.
The name.
Oh, the name? Yeah. All right. Oh, you even done it that way. Can you read that?
Oh.
Hey Hall.
What we got is number 52, Bobby Gibson.
Bobby Gibson.
All right. 70s to 86, Donald Lambert.
Donald Lambert.
Yep, right behind you.
Number 32 for the 87 to 95, Matt
Number
Connor.
32.
Oh, being helpful.
Here comes another. Thank you.
7 to 06 class, Jackie Myers.
Oh, woo!
That's so funny. And it was not rigged.
It was not rigged.
Hey class, number 35, 1111, 211.
Yeah, I got shirts.
Works out.
Oh goodness, got a whole group.
Yeah, how about that?
Goodness.
Whole group in there.
The JO class, Tim, Chris.
Recount.
Wait a minute now.
Recount.
All right, for the Gladiator class, number 33, Andy Miller.
Can't remember which one that was.
The black one.
Oh, okay. That was nice.
All right, for the off-road class, number 67, Sabrina Coffey. Sabrina!
That's how I felt too when I won.
All right, the next one's for the street class, number 50, Melissa Matney. The last one for the military class,
Give me the car.
American Legion, post 58.
Give it to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Signarama Kids of Christmas poker run, October the 18th. We'll be starting in Raffle. We'll be ending in Pearisburg. Just like everybody come out if you could. All I got. It's for a great time.
And everybody else, thank you for coming. And we couldn't do it without you, but I've got a great team that helped me, and I appreciate them greatly. So, thank you.
Woo! A big thank you to all the Jeepers that came out to make this such an epic show at Jeeps of the Valley. Y'all are awesome, and thanks to JeepWorks and NRV Jeep Club for putting this fantastic show together and having us as a vendor. We'll be back every year as this awesome event continues. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel as the adventure always continues. See you out on the trails.